I am so excited because today I'm going to show you one of the most unknown side dishes in the world. This comes straight from our grandmother's repertoire of recipes. This escarole green is a complete misunderstood, amazing nutritional bomb that you can add to your menu on a weekly basis. Today we have escarole. Look at this beautiful. See, it's super simple to clean. You just take the leaves off, cut the bottom out, clean them, and you cook the entire thing. You can also, of course, use the lighter, greener ones for salads. It's a very bitter green. It's full of incredible properties, anti-inflammatory, immune boosting, and we are combining it with
a lot of stuff. Anchovies, olives, capers, raisins, pine nuts.
Now I know raisins can be a little bit controversial.
Can raise an eyebrow.
This is a Neapolitan specialty. You can either keep the raisins in or not, but that kind of bitterness with that sweetness all cooked together, trust me, you've got to try it. It's super simple to make, really fast side dish. Let's start with extra virgin olive oil in a pan, garlic, chili peppers, and then we add all the other ingredients. We start with the garlic. Now I'm using the whole garlic clove, including its nice peel. Leaving it in, I scrunch it a little bit, it's gonna release some flavor. I do not want it to really brown so much, so I'm leaving the whole clove peel around it. We let it sizzle a little bit while I cut 2 extra spicy chili peppers. By the way, I got these are actual Calabrian chili peppers. I'm really excited because usually I've been using cayenne chili peppers here because I find them more easily. These are from the homeland. So let's cut them. We include all of the seeds. Now the chili pepper go in. And its seeds, okay? The seeds are the spiciest part. We're keeping everything in. Now we've got this beautiful base. We're adding the anchovies. We're letting them melt. Okay, now we add the capers. Beautiful. The olives. I'm daring and I want to really soften up those raisins. We're adding about 1 tablespoon of raisin. Beautiful. And now pine nuts, we let it all toast together. Everything is mingling, is joining. Ago, smell this. Tell me what it reminds you of.
You know the Sunday morning when Nonna used to cook?
Yeah, in the winter.
That smell. It's incredible, guys.
You see, the anchovies are completely melted. The capers are doing their job. The olives are like, releasing all that flavor. The chili peppers have already, did you see that red that got released in the extra virgin olive oil? And now, the raisins, they're kind of like hydrating in these juices.
They're cheering everybody up.
So good. It's time to get our scarola clean. I go wash it nicely. I'm gonna cut the ends. And I want you to take all the dirt, but I'm always of the opinion, a little dirt is good for you. Now it's ready for this beauty to go in. Look at that, it's just the whole thing. Taking the garlic out. Bella, 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 bella. Little bit of salt. Okay, now we cover with a lid. Give it a nice toss first. You want those juices, that base you created, to go everywhere. This bread was meant for me today. It's calling me. It's 2 days old, and if you toast this right now, not only you're saving the bread, but you're also saving yourself. This is being cooked, is releasing all the juices. This specific green, it's got a lot of great water content. You do not have to add anything to it. And do not boil this. You want all of the nutritional values maintained in these juices. A drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, just a drizzle to give it that coating.
Drizzle.
Flame is on, we're toasting the breads just slightly. So we're gonna keep the inside moist, the outside crunchy, and then when the juices of the escarole are dumped on it, it's gonna create that kind of like, you know, soft, crunchy situation. Bread goes on.
È buonissima.
It's absolute fire. The spiciness, it's so good. And the secret ingredient, subscribe. And the big notification bell so that you know a moment a video, recipe or not, will come out. Get a cutting board, get a serving board, a plate, whatever you want. I'm serving it directly from my cute vintage cutting board. I'm putting the crostini, the toasted bread, on it. It's just gorgeous. I want you to like and comment down below. Let me know if you found this green in the grocery store and how it came out, because really it is divine. Now the brother test. Ago, I want your opinion. The resin is underestimated because it releases it kind of hydrated in these juices. It's really good. Such a great contrast. How is it? Would Nonna be proud?
Nonna's coming back.
Nonna's coming back. Thank you so much for tuning in. We're gonna go and annihilate this crostino with escarole. It's been a pleasure. Bye.